Hey everyone, Stephanie here. I got this kit from the Soft Flex company. I did an unboxing already, and I'm just sitting here sort of playing with some of the pieces. So I decided to go ahead and make just a few really cute pairs of earrings, right? And I still have so much stuff left from this kit to make other things. Like I haven't even opened this yet. I may save this and make this make a necklace at some point. I have all these really pretty beads left over, which I haven't even opened yet. So we're going to be saving these, I think, because I think I just want to go with a couple simple, easy pairs of earrings. All right. And what I'm going to do is just go off camera and make them. And at the end, I will just show you what I made. All right. They're pretty simple. These are like going to be like a chandelier piece. Okay. That little piece there with the little daggers on the ends here. Okay. Little daggers. So those are what I'm going to be doing. Pretty simple, easy, straightforward. I'm going to add these little sort of accent beads. And then this one, I'm going to have like a dangle with a tassel at the end. So that's just from the bead mix that came in the kit, the Make-A-Wish kit. Okay. So I'm just going to create something super simple. I'm going to save this for a necklace at some point. So let me go ahead and create these pieces. And when I come back to you, I'll show you the finished pieces and then that'll be it. All right. Okay, everyone. So I finished a couple of pair of earrings, quick little easy earrings, just kind of little chandelier earrings with some of the bead mix. Okay, these came out really, really cute. And I used tassels. All right, so I made this cute little dangle chandelier mini earring, really, really cute, really, really sweet, dainty, you know, with the tassel there and the little bullet beads. Very, very cute. So, and I have so much stuff left over that I can make at least another necklace, a couple more pair, maybe another pair of earrings, and maybe even a bracelet. So yeah, you get about 4 or 5 pieces out of these kits. So here's another pair of the little, chandelier bindings. There's like two pairs in there. Yeah, two. So you can get 2 pairs of chandelier earrings. You can make, use these. I made these. I thought these were really pretty, kind of different. I used, the tassels and these beautiful sort of AB beads with like AB finish and the little rhinestone spacers there. Really, really cute. Just cute. Very, very pretty. So I made those. I do have more items left over. I have all these beads. I haven't even opened. I haven't opened the wire, the charm here. So yeah, you can make a necklace, a bracelet, like I said, another pair of earrings, and just need your tools and whatever additional findings you want to add. So very, very cool and very convenient. So check out all of the links I'm going to post down in the description, the Softflex website. They have other kits available, not just this one. So, you can choose whichever one you like. And this one is called Make-A-Wish. All right. I will put the link down in the description for you so you can check it out. And of course, they have other amazing things on the website, beads and wire and findings and all sorts of cool things. So all right. And definitely give Softflex a follow on their Facebook page as well as their YouTube channel. And you can check out new designs and new products and all kinds of fun stuff. All right. So I just made these, like I said, made these simple, cool little earrings for the kit, and they're really, really cute. I like them. Very, very nice. So I'm excited. I got more stuff left over. Like to have extra pieces, right? All right. So if you have any questions or comments regarding this video, please leave it below and I'll answer and get back to you and give me a follow on my social media. I'm at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So all the links you need will be down in the description. You can click on the Linktree link. It'll take you to all the links you need. All right. If you click on the Linktree link, it'll take you to all of my links. And then the Softflex links will be also down in the description. All right. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.